This is Jeff Tamburello, Director of the Southwest Florida Real Estate Investment Association, here to give you an update on the backlogged foreclosure trends for Lee County, Florida. As of February 29, 2012, we did have a leap year. There are 8,397 active cases. Previous month we had 8,132. Give you a perspective, we're going against 11,562, and then you go a little farther back, it's 22,184. So a slight rise in relation to what we just went through is not as newsworthy as you would think it would be, just because it's a rise. About this date of the foreclosure cases get a disposition with a judgment or a dismissal. That's what this report shows. Certificates of title, which is them actually being sold, are post-judgment activity. The case gets reopened only when it goes back before a judge if the sale was set aside or somebody filed a motion to set aside a judgment. What this report contains is basically the lis pendens until it's either there's a judgment and it's sent over for a sale, or it's dismissed. Total trend, you've got the bump that we're currently going through now. Shorter view from the peak. Certificates of title being conveyed. This represents our REO inventory going forward, which is why there's such a minor amount here. Lately we're hovering in Greater Fort Myers MLS about 330 active REOs. List pendants, slight bump up, which perfectly mirrors what's going on with the backlog trends. What I'm seeing is more homesteaded, bigger dollar amounts, bigger commercial dollar amounts within this trend, which is yet another reason why it's kind of building. The homesteaded properties take a little longer to foreclose than an abandoned investor property. Notes, we have another slight month-over-month increase. These trends are post-rocket docket and post-robo signing. The robo signing really put a wrench in the works, and as the rocket docket went away, that also elongated the process. I stated this before, we're seeing a second bump in filing numbers. Principal balances are higher than before in the trend. Now what's interesting is everybody keeps waiting for this second wave to come, that everybody thinks there's another, like an 08, 09-esque type wave of assets. What I see coming are larger commercial properties and also larger homesteaded balance properties. So from a banker's perspective, you are looking at a second wave. From a investment perspective, I don't think you're going to see the same product that we had earlier within this trend. I'd like to tell you about a great meeting we're going to have this month. On Tuesday, the 20th, at the Edison, Mike Lyons is going to present, and then we'll open it up to the room to discuss it in a mastermind session, what real estate investors must know in the coming market. Our market is very much in a state of flux. Our distressed sales percentages within the market are down. The pricing is rising, sales counts are going down, money in motion's even reducing slightly. There's a lot of changes happening in our market, and there's a couple subtle changes that are on the horizon that I think most investors are not putting into their due diligence when they buy. So if you're a real estate investor interested in real estate investing or do business with real estate investors, you should attend this meeting to understand what's coming forward. Again, that's March the 20th. If you have any questions, you can always email me, jeff@swflreia.com. And members is free. Non-members, it's $20. Thanks for watching this video, and make it a great day.